it's a video review brought to you by RDS. We are showing the power of X Mini Max 2 capsule speaker. Original sound from iPhone 4.
It's been said and done. Every beautiful thought's been already sung. And I guess right now here's another one. So humanity will play on and on. With the
No big deal, isn't it? Now we try put on the X Mini speaker.
It's been said and done. Every beautiful thought's been already sung. And I guess right now here's another one. So humanity will play on and on. With the
Alright, what about its performance on Samsung Galaxy S2?
It's been said and done. Every beautiful thought's been already sung. And I guess right now here's another one. So humanity will play on and on.
Alright, now we put on the X Mini onto Samsung Galaxy S2. The volume is SAM 15.
It's been said and done. Every beautiful thought's been already sung. And I guess right now here's another one. So humanity will play on and on. With the best of them, you are beautiful, like a dream come alive, incredible.
Alright, thanks for watching.